J-Fast is just the...
But John Land is the husband, and he's trying to start up his concrete company and cutting company.
My auto got connected, not the camera.
Right.
So I got something up there that was installed by some goofball. He didn't gravel around it. He put
You got 3 pairs on the first round. Somebody's going to win a second round bye. I don't know. I think what we do is we come up, like we do 3 pairs for the first round, and then your 3 winners of that first round. I think we do some random contest where the winner of that random contest earns the second round bye.
So I called locates on and my name's on a ticket. Do I need to call them up and tell them it's not us anymore digging?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to cancel your ticket. You need to tell the locate people that you are no longer the excavator on site. Because if they hit a ticket under your locate, it doesn't make it your... How did I not cut that one?
I said, you think we could knock it out one day? And he was like, well, I want to go to the lake, so maybe we can have an early day Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you just do the concrete on Friday, you have an early day Friday. If you get the job done in one day, you might end up. 21?
Yeah.
21 feet.
If you put it in front of the line, it should be pretty close.
Bacon just for Spencer. Oh, shut it. I just need to start getting thicker cut bacon. This bacon lately has been extra thin.
Let's go, John.
1 minute.
You know what?
I think he's working on a fart.
I'm working on a bar.
I think he's trying to fart out there.
Somebody else can go. No, Austin.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably the better idea.
Trick is to kick your leg up high. I did too. That'd be Jonathan Foster.
That one is a private dumpster. Notice it's locked. You are over it.
I was up getting ready, went in the bathroom, and brushed my teeth, combing my hair, all that fun stuff, right? I come walking out of the bathroom, there's this little girl laying on sitting on the edge of my bed, right? Looking right at me with the biggest smile. I'm like, oh shit, it's gonna be a bad day with her.
A random little girl?
No, my little girl.
Because he wants it to work right, I'm assuming.
I mean, there's a lot of backfilling that you do. At least you're not digging.
What do you mean he got rid of it?
Spread it around the yard, holes around the foundation.
We've got nothing to put back.
You know, my daycare,
Up onto a trailer. And then they may put like if the sewer...
they keep where they did the sewer repair, you got all this standing water. Every time it rains, and she goes, I'm not, no. No. Third one to the last. And I handed up, put her on to get the next one. Next thing I know, she's laying in the window well. And I'm like,
Yeah, that's the thing. Just the big one, right?
How far was the drop?
Ah!
Like if you go to Park Bay, you finish digging the one hole,
Some of them make
and then what's all being tight? We're going to a other basement.
My arm is dialed in. This is a peak human form representation. For y'all.
Need some more, need the music turned up.
Ah! Trying to knock one of your blues off. You won. God damn. Got a winner!
I was trying to knock that one off, and I threw way off to the left.
Championship money. Look at there. Lunch is on Noah today.
I got lunch, Chris.
How much did you get, Noah?
Big old Twinkie.
You didn't get 100 like Anthony?
No.
It's not a 20 full, it didn't have to look like 40. And the QR codes seem to be pretty effective for you guys. So what I've made is QR code stickers. So we can stick these on the back of your phone case, and you can still have the customer scan the QR code for the review. You may not even need to, just leave it on the thing.
You're asking the wrong person.
There you go. What do you mean asking the wrong
I have
person?
no idea what my Google login is. This guy's asking
And that
me
right there is why we struggle to get some reviews sometimes. Apple customers rarely log into Google.
How do you open it?
So you scan it, it's going to take you to a website,
Sometimes that yellow.
and it goes straight to the star rating for the company.
If I leave myself a 5-star review, do I get $25?
No. But
What if I leave?
feel free to leave a 5-star review for the company. 1,000 Google reviews by the close of business Friday. That's 5 a day. We do 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 Friday. We're golden.
But
That's
we don't get paid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You don't get
6.
paid for a review you left yourself, but it
Dingleberry.
It still counts as a Google review, though.
Right.
So we all
What if I
need
get my
to.
family?
You videoing me?
Say we couldn't do that.
Loopholes.
In fact, go have your dad give a review, and I'll have
That's
my mom
where,
give a review.
so if it's like they don't write anything, then it's going to make it real hard for us to know where that Google review goes.
Going to squeezing right now.
Where am I going?
Receipts. John, I need to get your receipts and checks and stuff. John, you know you want more.
Bacon. I'll take an egg too.
Yeah, you will.